thank you for coming.
Sure.
So can you do a brief introduction of you and your project?
Yeah, sure. So my name is Andrew Harrison, and I am the Global Marketing Director for GAIA. And we are building a decentralized network, living knowledge system that aligns incentives to put knowledge creators back in control of their own data within the AI ecosystem. So instead of centralized AI, where it's almost a black box that scrapes all this information from all over the place, puts it in one spot, and then regurgitates it back out, GAIA's trying to build more of an organic ecosystem where people can retain the knowledge that they are creating and the data that they are creating, and then create an incentivized model on the back end to then monetize that data and track where it goes and who is accessing it.
Cool. This question is extra because GAIA is a big name. Yeah, like how do you come up with GAIA?
GAIA just essentially represents this organic feeling of AI. AI and tech in general feels very lots of right angles, very mechanical, and we want to make something that feels a little more flowy and organic. And given the fact that we're trying to create this ecosystem of knowledge and knowledge creators, we just felt that GAIA made a lot of sense and encapsulated that feeling quite heavily. So we just went through a rebrand, and all of the visuals are related to that as well. So we're trying to really convey this idea that AI can work with humanity as opposed to exploiting humanity.
Cool. So related to that, you're here at our event, deAI Summit. And then what Phoenix is doing, we're also putting AI elements into our product and actually shifting gear to the whole AI thing. What do you think about Phoenix and what we do here?
Yeah, so I mean, I think it's amazing. Anybody that's building within this space, all kind of coming at the challenge from different angles. And I just met the Pudi team in Korea about 2 weeks ago. So still familiarizing myself where exactly everybody fits in to the ecosystem, but it seems like there's just a ton of awesome overlap between all the projects in the space. And this idea of modular AI and different services focused on different elements of the stack is really interesting to me. So yeah, the team is great from what I know so far, and excited to keep working together in the future.
Yeah, so then what do you think about the AI and blockchain integration in the future?
Yeah, I think there are still a lot of new projects entering the space right now, and it's going to be interesting to see how it all shakes out, who is doing what within the space. I think the idea of being able to, tokenize different elements of the stack, whether it be like an agent or the knowledge itself, or just create a tokenomics backend for sharing and integrating that knowledge, which is what GAIA is doing, are all different approaches to the same challenge. So I think there's a lot of opportunity overall. And yeah, I think there's just a lot of incentives that align with blockchain and Web3 in general, and they're going to work together symbiotically to help move the space forward.
Great, thank you. Next question is related to TOKEN2049. So what do you think about maybe Bitcoin or the token market in general?
Yeah, I think, at the beginning of the year, there was a lot of hype. Everybody was really excited. Things were starting to pop off again. And for the last few months, things have flattened out. But I think it's flattening out, hopefully, before another big push forward. So I think the industry is just waiting for the right narrative. And I think that AI and DePIN and decentralized infrastructure for things like that could be, the thing that pushes the entire industry forward, because we're really providing a lot of real use cases. And that's something that, historically has been missing within the space. The projects that are actually doing real world utility type things are few and far between. But with AI and changing how data is actually leveraged within these systems using crypto economics, I think that opens the doors for a lot of new projects and a lot of new applications.
Great, thank you so much.
Of course, sure.